Take a ride in the 2018 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.